Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I am going to show you how to fix Hamster Kombat not working or Hamster Kombat not connecting. So now let us proceed. First of all, head over to your Telegram app. Head over to the Telegram app. On the Telegram app, locate Hamster Kombat and then click on it, the Hamster Kombat platform. Now you have to click play in one click. But before you do that, make sure that you have a strong network connection, like you have a data connection that is strong, because if it is not strong, Hamster Combat will not open. So ensure that it is strong. But if your network is strong and it's refusing to open, this is what you're going to do. But first of all, click play in one click and make sure that your Hamster Combat is click play in one click. As you can see, it opened because my internet connection is strong. But if it is not strong, this is what you're going to do. Head back. Head back to the Telegram, or head back to your home screen. Then click Play Store. Download on the Play Store. Download Thunder VPN. Now, the reason why I want you to download Thunder VPN is because Thunder VPN works hand in hand with Hamster Combat. In most cases, when Hamster Combat is refusing to open on your phone, is because your server is not responding with Hamster Combat. So Thunder VPN is fast, reliable, and it helps to strengthen your server. So that is why you're asked normally to download VPN, Thunder VPN. So download Thunder VPN and install. Then head back. Open the Thunder VPN. Wait for it to connect. It is checking your network, finding the best server for you, and testing your connection speed. So click connect in order to strengthen your server. After connecting, head back to the Telegram app. Then locate back your Hamster Combat. Now that you have connected the Thunder VPN, you have to click play in one click. Now, after clicking play in one click, you will notice that Hamster Combat will open faster. So that is it. Thunder VPN works perfectly with Hamster Combat. So in case your Hamster Combat is not working or refusing to open, maybe it is showing you black screen. This is the only option to use. Download the Thunder VPN. Download the Thunder VPN and connect with with your phone. Then you can open your Hamster Combat. So that is how it works. And this comes to the end of this video. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.